Hello everyone, this is a step-by-step process on making a roller coaster model from scratch. So let's begin. So guys, I don't mean this model, but I'm going to make a little scale model to show you how to make a roller coaster creation. So for step one, find a flat surface like a tabletop or a desk and cover it so you protect the original surface of it from glue or any other certain items. And after that, get some type of poster board or something that you can put the model on. So I got this canvas. So this is going to be the platform where my design is going to be created on. So this canvas is 11 by 14 and I'm going to be angling it this way, and that's how the model is going to be created. And I'm going to create a sketch for step 2 to actually begin the actual process of designing stuff. Step 2 begins with a visualization of the final product. It's good to create a sketch to visualize what it will be. So I'm going to go into a time lapse and show you that. Step 3 is revealing the supplies you're going to need to create this model. So it's good to have rods. A ruler or tape measure works to help you get the right measurements to cut the right sizes and shapes of each piece for the project. You're also going to need a lot of toothpicks to make the supports and the track come together. It's also good to have a pencil. It will help you mark the positions and sizes you need for the rods and the board itself. You're also going to need some glue. Hot glue or wood glue would work perfect for this. You also need scissors to cut the toothpicks and the rods to the right sizes you need. And to make the job a little less messier, get a bag and cut inside the bag with the wood pieces. It helps eliminate the mess, and it also protects you from flying toothpicks. That would be dangerous. So this is all the supplies you need to create the model, and plus the canvas itself. And let's get into step 4. So step 4 is the beginning process of actually putting on the canvas. So I'm going to use a pencil and mark different locations where I think the footers will fit. And after that, I'll go vertical. Continuing on from part 4, I have to start vertically, and this is going to be fun because now I got all these toothpicks and I have to find a decent size. I don't want to waste a lot of these, so I'm going to have to figure out an accurate size. I think I'm going to do about 2 inches, and I want to be unwrapping these. This could take a lot of time, so this is a time-based thing, so you're not going to be done in like 10 minutes or anything. This is going to take a little bit of time because crafts, you want to do it really nice. If you want to be creative crafts, it's going to take a lot of time to make it awesome. So while doing this on here, I would line it up, try to eliminate the points as best as you can, mark them. And the cool thing about this is since I marked one, I don't have to mark any other ones. Reason why I'm doing it in a clear bag is because this eliminates the mess. This will collect all of my mess, and I will have my piece I need. And then this is what's going to happen. So here's the design. And of course, it's a roller coaster. You can classify it as a giga coaster. And they're all laid out in specific areas where each support will sit. So the process of gluing, I'm going to use hot glue. I would definitely be cautious about hot glue guns. They can burn you, especially under the nail. So have a little caution when using glue. So here's the design, and then this is the final product. Step 6 is cleanup. You just have to clean up all this mess. It's time to enjoy what we have created. I hope you enjoyed this how-to video today of building a roller coaster model out of toothpicks. Literally, it's all toothpicks and one little piece of wood. Went from a drawing to a real-life model. So I hope you guys found this video interesting, and I hope you guys are inspired to make models like this too. Thanks for watching.